going on, guys? Just recently picked up a new Mustang, traded the truck in, bought a 2019 Performance Pack 2. I'm gonna try to do some videos on it soon, but anyways, it came with chrome badges. It's a black car with chrome badges. Doesn't look good, so we're gonna black them out today, and I'm gonna give you guys a little how-to on how to do that. So yeah, check it out. There's the GT badge. We're gonna black that one out. We got the 5-liter badge here on the side, and we got the pony badge on the front. We're gonna black that one out too. I'm a little worried about this one because of the grill. I don't want to take it off. I'm just gonna, yeah, I got some newspaper, a can of Plasti dip, got black Plasti dip. I saw that there's some other kinds out there. Everyone said Plasti dip was the best, the easiest to get off. Got rubbing alcohol just to clean the badges up, make sure the Plasti dip sticks good. Some masking tape, some plastic, towel, microfiber towel, just so I can wipe the car off, get any dust off it before we start. So basically we're just getting all the dust off of the emblem right now. So yeah, next up I just got the rubbing alcohol, just paper towel. Gonna clean up the badge, make sure the Plasti dip sticks to it. So yeah, just a bunch of rubbing alcohol on the cloth, wipe it down. Get in between the 5.0 and everything, so you can get all those creases. So there's the one I taped off so far. Basically we just want to get a nice little square because we're going to paint this whole area. You just paint everything and then you peel it off later. You guys will understand more as we go. Do the pony and then we'll do the rest. So that's what we're working with right now. Just everything's taped off. Oh, I gotta do the GT still. Never mind, everything's not taped off. The next step is we're gonna put paper around everything. So we got our box, paper it off, and then yeah. Alright, time to paper it all. Whole car's pretty well plastic and a blanket and newspaper. Alright, well, shook the can well for a minute or so. It's warm, where it goes on a little better if it's heated up, I guess. And yeah, we're just going to spray the whole 5.0 badge, the whole area you see of the paint, and get a nice thick layer on there.
You just put rubbing alcohol on it, right?
Yes. There we go, first layer on. Next up, the pony. Now the GT. Well, here's what we got so far. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but you can see I gotta get the top a little bit better. You can see a little bit of chrome still sticking through, but that was just the first coat. A little bit of red on the 5.0 still sticking through. The pony actually looks pretty good, minus the feet, but it's looking pretty good. Again, the 5.0. And then the GT on the back. I did get a little too thick here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not too bad. Hoping that more coats will just clean out. Alright, we're gonna do another coat. Time for the third and final coating. I think they're looking pretty good. Well, again, I forgot I was making a movie, but I peeled all the plastic and tape off the car, or most of it. We just have the tape around the 5.0 left. This is the fun part anyways, or the interesting part, where we gotta get it from around all the badges, so I'll show you guys how we do that. I'm gonna use a toothpick for in between the letters, and the rest should just come off pretty easily. Just pull it carefully once you get close to the 5 and the O. Here's the end result, guys. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. Just couldn't be any happier, really. They look pretty clean. And yeah, not too long. It probably took us about 2 hours to do this total. Not bad. We're gonna obviously just clean it up more. You can see some smudge marks around it and whatnot, but I'm gonna let the Plasti dip fully dry before we do that. I don't wanna mess it up at all. Yeah, there's the 5.0. We used a lot of tape and it was left on a little too long, so we have to get, you can see all the white right here. We'll have to get that out of there, but again, I'm gonna wait till the badge is fully dry before we start messing around. Well, this later me, it's actually rained out since I filmed the video. We got it done just in time, but yeah, I forgot to record an outro. I was editing it quick and realized I didn't have an outro, so here I am. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully this helped you. The badges look awesome. I'm gonna show you guys them quick again. Hopefully this video helped you. Hopefully you black your badges out, and yeah, goes good for you. Good luck, guys.